First, we're gonna make the liquid. Take your warm water, add the sugar and the salt, and give everything a good mix so that the sugar dissolves. Then take your garlic, cut it in two, put it in there, your peppercorns, chili flakes, and finally the vinegar. And give everything a real good mix. And now just let everything cool off. In the meanwhile, let's cut the onions. A small tip for anybody who is using a cutting board and it keeps moving. Take 2 pieces of kitchen paper, make it very wet, squeeze it out and just place it underneath your cutting board. Put it on top and it's literally almost immovable. You can also do it with a kitchen towel, but I find this method a little bit easier. Take the onions and then just slice them into circles. Once the onions are cut, take a jar and put them all in there. Make sure to separate the rings a little bit. Then take your liquid and pour it in there. Put your lid on top. Nice and sealed. Put it in the fridge at least overnight. The longer, the better. After a couple of days in the fridge, the onions are done. Look at this beauty. Let's crack it open. Nice and pink onions ready to be served on some tacos, some burgers as a side, even in a salad. That's about it. What you'll need is 300 milliliters of white vinegar, 300 milliliters of hot water. It's basically a 1-to-1 ratio. 3 tablespoons of cane sugar, 1 teaspoon of sea salt, 1 teaspoon of mixed peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, 2 cloves of garlic, and as many red onions as you can fit into a jar. I'm going to use this jar, so I'm gonna take roughly 5 onions.